Hey, how you guys doing? Curtie Cool is back on the scene once again. Shout out to all you beautiful people out there who has been tuning in to Curtie Cool throughout the years. I mean, life is beautiful out here, and I'm out here enjoying it to the fullest. Hey, how y'all like the new look? I mean, I decided to grow a beard. Do it different. Y'all know what I mean? That's what life is all about. Having some type of creativity that you can explore and take your look and your fashion and everything else to a whole new dimension, baby. Curtie Cool is back on the scene, yo. Wanted to say hello to all the beautiful people out there in Wonderland who is tuning in to Curtie Cool, baby. I mean, I'm out here. Oh yeah, I come back every now and then to talk about my true story. I feel like the world needs to talk about this stuff more and more and more. I mean, with these grandmothers and what these baby mothers are doing to these fathers out here, yo. Like in my situation, my true story. I mean, this Patricia Robinson, yo. You guys know the story, who has been following my story for all these years, yo. For 16 long years. An adopted grandmother who destroyed kids' connections. Won't let them have no kind of contact with their own blood father. Now, I have heard about it is mothers out here who does the same thing, yo. When the relationships don't work out, but yet and still the fathers tries to be a part of their kid's life. So guess what? A lot of times, these baby mothers bluntly come out and say, I'm gonna make it hard for you to see your daughter. Or make it hard for you to see your son. You know what I mean? Just because the relationship didn't work out, they feel like, I mean, they got something that they can just stab you right in your heart, like they feel and think that this kind of stuff is going to tear you down. But see, here's the thing, yo. Fathers out here are getting educated. They know what's going on. I mean, y'all out here keeping the kids away and destroying everything, traumatizing everybody, messing them up. But fathers out here are getting educated. Y'all running hide out. Y'all take the kids away, mess them all up. In the long run, they're the ones who is traumatized and is without a father. Y'all know what I mean? They see all their little friends, everybody else, they have their fathers. Now over here, you mess up a kid's life because you're thinking about yourself. Like in my situation, that crazy adopted grandmother, Patricia Robinson, out in Moreno Valley, California, I mean, that woman destroyed it all, yo. For bitterness, hate, selfishness. It was all about this crazy woman. This crazy, wicked witch, Patricia Robinson. For 16 years, yo. She running hard out like a big ugly cow, yo. I mean, she thinks she is hurting Curtie Cool and turning and running and hiding. Thinks that she is tearing Curtie Cool down. I mean, I'm better than ever. I'm smarter than ever. I look better than ever. You can never tear me down, Patricia Robinson. The good Lord has got this. You are the one who was like the Grinch who stole Christmas away from my daughter. You the one messed her up and are out here pretending to be her father. My daughter is smart enough to see that you are not her blood father. You will never be her father. But see, it is crazy people out here, y'all, who is out here messing these kids up, y'all. They don't have any respect for the fathers. Once they be traumatized and abused by these narcissist parents, y'all. I mean, they don't have any respect for the fathers anymore at all. I mean, then they turn 18, 20, somewhere down the line, and now they want everything to go their way, but yet and still, that father did not have a chance to put his input into you as a baby, as a kid, as a growing up teenager, did not have the opportunity to put his input into his kid, yo. So this stuff, it appears to these mothers or these grandmothers who are doing this kind of stuff that they are on top of everything. No, you're not on top of everything, because you destroyed that kid. You messed that kid up. They're the ones who are traumatized and disfigured because their life is not the same, and it will never be the same, knowing that those kids' childhood was tampered with and they did not have their original blood father. This stuff will haunt them every chance, every time you look around. You know what I mean? Oh, why did they do that to me? Oh, now some of you kids out here, y'all, they don't give a squat hoot. It's all about their mother. My mother. It's all about my mother. You wait until you grow up one day, baby, and you have kids, and you are out here trying to project and do the right thing out here with your kids to have a father in their lives, and then all of a sudden that grandmother on that other end come in and tear everything down, destroy everything up, mess you up, got your kids, your family going all kind of which directions. Hey, now you begin to feel the pain to see what really happened, because that curse before you was cursed, so another curse come about and put you into another curse. See, this stuff just keeps going on and on and on and on and on now. Hey, yo, I'm a happy man out here, but I tell my story, yo. I tell the world about what's really, truly going on out here with these crazy baby mothers, crazy adopted grandmothers, these grandmothers. Yeah, that stuff is not nice. And there's some sicko wackos out here, yo, who does that to the kids. Take away their own flesh and blood because of bitterness, selfishness, and hate. Now, if it wasn't for the father's seed, that kid would not even be here. Y'all know what I mean? Wicked people out here, y'all. And I continue on to tell my true story and put it out here about this Patricia Robinson. I mean, these ugly people is not hurting Curtie Cool at all, baby. You would never hurt Curtie Cool because I see the big picture and I see it for what it is. That's your lifestyle. That is something that these narcissists will have to deal with the rest of their life. But Curtie Cool ain't worried about a thing out here, baby, because I know who I am, y'all. I know. You know what I mean? God is taking care of me. give me a lot of peace, love, and happiness. For the fathers who are out here, don't y'all worry about that mess. Just let them have it. Let them have it all. Shit, they think that this world is all about them. Just let them have all that shit. Let them have it, baby. Let them have it. You can have it all, baby, because I know who I am, and I will continue on to stand tall. In God's eye, baby, Curtie Cool did the right thing in his life. And God knows who I am within my heart. Tried to do the right thing. But crooked, evil, wicked people destroyed it all, baby. Now they are running and hiding like big, ugly cowards. Hey, yo. Curtie Cool. I continue on to tell my story. It doesn't matter to Curtie Cool which way this thing turns out, because Curtie Cool will always be a happy man. God is blessing me and will continue on to bless me. All the good people who is out here, you guys continue on doing the right thing within your heart. God knows your heart, your mind, your spirit, your truthfulness, the real true essence of you deep down inside. You got this crooked, evil, wicked person out here, y'all. Did all this stuff, messed people up, who are running and hiding out, y'all. They think that this world is all about them. They are floating on another cloud, and it sure is not the cloud with God, because they are floating on a totally different cloud, baby, in their own little old wicked mind, with evenness and wickedness. That's about all Curtie Cool can say, baby. But I continue on to tell my true story and put it out here. Hey, you fathers out here, you guys continue on to be loved. Don't worry about these crooked, evil, wicked people, y'all. Patricia Robinson, like I said a long time ago, sorry to say it like this, but that grandmother is a piece of shit, y'all. I just have to say this. She's wicked and low down and dirty. And to do that to a father who had gone through the court system, went home, she goes back, screw everything up, plus screw his kid up, and take advantage of that crazy baby mother and run and hide out. It is what it is, baby. I'm gonna say what's on my mind, baby. I ain't biting my tongue about nothing, baby, because it is what it is. This kind of stuff needs to be talked about more and more each day, baby. Hey, y'all, Curtie Cool, I tell you, I could never deal with a dysfunctional family out here, y'all, breaking people down, destroying people, destroying families, then walking around here thinking that you are the shit. Baby, that is not nice, yo. I tell my story out here, I put it out here, and I keep on telling my story. I mean, it is what it is. My story, this crazy adopted grandmama drama for 16 years, baby. She pulled this little raggedy ass shit, yo. I mean, it doesn't matter to Curtie Cool what happens after my daughter turned 18. It don't matter. But I told my story, baby. I told the story about the wicked witch, baby. Because that is what she is in that family. A big, ugly, wicked witch lifestyle. Raggedy, 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 baby. Anytime you do something like that to a father, and you never wish him a happy Father's Day, you don't let his daughter say happy Father's Day, no kind of holiday, no kind of birthday, no kind of nothing. That's a raggedy ass lifestyle you are living. You are living a Mickey Mouse fairy tale lifestyle. You are not into reality. You are in a fairy tale lifestyle with your Mickey Mouse lifestyle. I'm talking about that Patricia Robinson, baby. It is what it is, y'all. Coming from Curtie Cool, y'all. I'm in this little show. Curtie! That is Curtie Cool, baby. Y'all be good. In the neighborhood. Curtie Cool. Okay, bye.